Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, let's talk about the crimes of inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. Okay, so as what you may have heard on the news, the CIDG has filed a criminal complaint against Cavite Representative Francisco Barzaga or Kiko Barzaga. No, so there's a subpoena issued to Kiko Barzaga dated November 12, 2025, is being required by the Department of Justice, Quezon City, Office of the City Prosecutor, Quezon City, to file his counter affidavit to the said complaint. So now let's clarify first, no? The crime of inciting to sedition and the crime of inciting to rebellion are two different crimes penalized under the revised penal code. Inciting to rebellion is penalized under Article 138 of the revised penal code, while inciting to sedition is penalized under Article 142 of the revised penal code. Now, you might ask, what's the difference between inciting to sedition and sedition per se? Okay, so sedition per se is penalized under Article 139. So it presupposes that the offender already committed the crime of sedition. While inciting to sedition, on the other hand, what the law penalizes is the mere act of inciting. So meaning, encouraging, yung pag-i-encourage sa mga tao na mag-commit ng crime na sedition. Okay? So, again, yung pinagkaiba nila is sa inciting to sedition, hindi mo pa na-commit yung krimen na sedition. Pero, gumawa ka ng mga paraan para ma-encourage ang publiko na mag-commit ng ganitong krimen. Okay? So again, what the law penalizes under inciting to sedition is the mere act of inciting, of encouraging the public. Okay? Same goes with inciting to rebellion. What the law penalizes thereof is the mere act of inciting to commit the crime of rebellion. So one of the important elements of inciting to sedition is that the offender must not commit the act of sedition. Kasi pag na-commit na yung act of sedition, the law that will apply now is Article 139 kasi consummated na yung krimen. Same goes with inciting to rebellion. Okay? Pag na-commit mo na yung krimen, yung rebellion na krimen, yung mag-govern na law is already Article 134 and no longer Article 138. Okay? Kasi nga na-consummated na yung crime. So yung sa kaso ni Congressman Barzaga, yung kaso niya is merely inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. Kasi nga dun sa mga statement na ginawa niya publiko na according to the CIDG, constitute inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. But it doesn't mean that Congressman Barzaga already committed the crime of sedition and rebellion. No, okay? What he is facing right now is merely inciting to sedition and inciting to rebellion. Kaya nga, maghinay-hinay tayo sa bibigay ng public statement, especially if yung statement mo is tantamount to like taking arms against the government, pag-aalsa sa gobyerno, kasi pwede kang kasuhan ng inciting to rebellion or inciting to sedition. Okay?
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Now, let's talk about the difference between sedition and rebellion. Okay, now let's talk about rebellion. So, rebellion, mas mabigat kumpara sa sedition, okay? Because the ultimate goal of rebellion, of committing the crime of rebellion, is to overthrow the government, to take arms against the government, meaning palitan ang gobyerno, okay? While sa sedition, that is not the main goal. The goal in sedition is merely to disturb the public peace and public order without necessarily overthrowing the government. Okay? So, sa rebellion, pag-aalsa laban sa gobyerno. Gusto mong palitan kung ano ang administrasyon or kung sino ang nakaupo. Yan ang rebellion. Pero sa sedition, hindi yan ang goal mo, but merely to cause public disturbance and disturb the public peace and public order. Okay? So, yun ang pagkakaiba ng sedition at rebellion. Okay? So, again, gusto ko lang klaruhin, iba ang rebellion sa inciting to rebellion kasi pag sinabing inciting to rebellion, what the law penalizes is the mere act of encouraging other people to commit the crime of rebellion. Same goes with inciting to sedition. What the law penalizes is the mere act of encouraging other people to commit the crime of sedition. Okay? So I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.